Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys what I eat in the day to lose weight. I've been trying to make this kind of video, and yes, today is the day. So first of all, in the morning when I wake up, the first thing I do is to get a glass of water and drink, and it's usually my breakfast. Yes, water is my breakfast because I usually do intermittent fasting to lose weight. So I don't do it every week, but the times I do it, like today I'm intermittent fasting, so I just drink only water. And if you're intermittent fasting as well, you can also take coffee, a plain coffee or a plain green tea. So that is what is allowed because they are 0-calorie drinks. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm having for lunch today, which is okra soup and wheat swallow. So let's get cooking. So I'll start with making the wheat swallow because I have already prepared my okra soup. I made it yesterday actually, so it's the remainder okra soup I'm having today. And first of all, you put water and allow the water to boil. I've never made a vegan okra soup before. Vegans, they don't eat meat or fish or any animal products. So I decided to try to make a vegan okra soup yesterday, and it was so good. No meat, no fish. Like, I made this sauce and the okra, you guys will see it very soon, and I put it together and it was delicious. Like, I enjoyed my meal yesterday. So the same thing I had yesterday for lunch is the same thing I'll be having today as well for lunch, which is wheat swallow and okra soup. So I usually break my fast at 12 p.m. So right now it's time for me to have my lunch. So while we wait for the water to boil, I'll just make a little paste that I'll put into the boiling water. So I'll take a little wheat flour. This is about a cup and just a little more than a cup of wheat flour. So I'll take a little, this much, and then I'll mix it up. Difficult to make wheat swallow before but now I'm a pro. So you make it into a paste, and then this is the method they use in making semo. If you're in Nigeria, you know the semo swallow that we have. So I saw one mother doing it, and I just quickly started using this style to make my wheat, and it has not failed me. It comes out very smooth. So it will be this runny. You guys can have a look. And then the water is boiling already. So what I'll do is just to put it inside. You stir immediately. So if you thicken the water a little bit, this is more like preparation for the main thing, so that it will not have seeds when you are now ready to pour in your wheat. It's time to add flour, and this is where the work is. It is actually a lot of work. So you can start adding your flour. It's now thick, so I can hold it and really give it a good stir, a very good stir. So I'm going to add a little more water to steam it a little. Time to give it another good stir. Wheat is ready. So my wheat is ready, and it's time to plate. I love tying my wheat in the nylon. Yeah, I love the shape that it actually gives when I tie it in the nylon. So I'll just do that right now. have to fill water before it will get soft enough for you to wash. If not, you'll find it very, very hard to wash it. So yes, I'm going to tie this up. I'm not really good at tying this, but I just love the shape it gives me. This looks like amala, but it's not amala, it's meat. So this is my okra and wheat swallow. Food is ready. I can't wait to delve into this. It's past my lunchtime already and I'm really, really hungry. So guys, I'll see you when I'm ready for my next meal. For dinner, I'm going to have vegetable curry with brown rice. So you guys are going to see how I'm going to make it. So let me show you guys quickly the ingredients. I have carrots, green peas, coconut oil. Let me just show you guys the ingredients. So I'll be using carrots, green beans, coconut milk, onions and garlic here. I have my spices. I have curry, I have thyme, I have seasoning cubes, salt and turmeric, and then I have my tomato paste and fresh pepper, and then I have my green pepper. So we're using all this to make our vegetable curry sauce that I'll eat with brown rice. So the first thing I'll do is to put oil in the pot. Granite oil, very little quantity. If you have olive oil you can use, but I make do with whatever I have. I don't go out of my way to find what I really need. So whatever it is I have at home, I use it to make something good. So I'm going to add a little, like probably 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil actually, not granite oil. So when the oil is heated, I'll start adding my ingredients. So you guys should hop in. Let's look at what the pot looks like. So I'll put some onions. We'll put our onions and garlic and then give it a good stir. Allow it to cook until you hear the burst of flavor. And man, this kitchen is fantastic, smelling so nice. So I'll add my vegetables. I'll add my carrots. My green peas, give it a very good stir. Our green pepper, stir it up. Then add a seasoning cube, salt, our other spices. Give it a good stir. I can see the curry. Allow it to cook for a minute, and then it's time to add coconut milk. Add our coconut milk. You add our pepper and tomato paste. Then you stir it and close it to cook. Whenever I make curry, anything like curry, chicken curry, beef curry, it usually comes out very well. I've not tried the vegetable curry before, but the way this is looking, it will definitely come out well. So I'm going to have this with brown rice, like I told you people, and for this I'm going to leave it for 5 to 6 minutes to just cook. I don't like my vegetables so soft. I really like the crunch that I get from vegetables, so I'm not going to cook it for long. So let's just wait till it's ready. Woo! You guys see that? Oh, this is beautiful. In fact, it tastes, I'm sure it tastes as good as it looks. Let me just give it a taste. This is so good. And it's ready now, so I can get this down and be ready to eat. So I've already made some brown rice earlier, so it's cooked, and I'll just plate this. Oh my, this is lovely, lovely, lovely. I like veggies. Can never have enough of veggies. So yes, fill your plates up with vegetables. Okay guys, come and have a look at it very well. So guys, this is my vegetable curry with brown rice here. And this brown rice is this local rice that you can find in the Nigerian markets. You don't need to break the bank to have it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do well to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell beside it so that you'd always get notified whenever I post a new video.